Okay. Remember lesson 1, the story of the boy who cried wolf. Just a reminder that a fable is a story that is supposed to teach a lesson called the moral of the story. Now that's a fable, the boy who cried wolf. Does anyone remember the name of the person who wrote these stories all those many years ago? Aesop is his name. He lived in Greece, which is a country far away from here. Anyway, do you remember the moral of the boy who cried wolf? Right? If you don't often tell the truth, people won't believe you even when you are telling the truth. In other words, don't lie. So let's get into our story for today, which is The Milkmaid and the Spilled Milk. Now this story focuses on one character. She is called, when a story focuses on one person, that person is considered the main character. And the main character today is a milkmaid, which is a woman who milks cows. Okay. Well, Peggy the Milkmaid was going to market. There, she planned to sell the fresh, sweet milk in the pail she had learned to carry balanced on her head. And Peggy knew how to keep the pail on her head without it tipping over as she walked. As she went along, she began thinking about what she would do with the money she could get for the milk. "I'll buy the plumpest, the fattest chickens from Farmer Brown," she said, "and they will lay eggs each morning, and when those eggs hatch, I'll have more chickens. Then I'll sell some of the chickens and some of the eggs, and that will get me enough money to buy the blue dress I've wanted and some blue ribbon to match." So, let's stop a minute here. What does Peggy plan to do with the milk? Do you think that Peggy's plans make sense? "Oh, I look so lovely that all the boys will want to dance with me at the fair and all the girls will be jealous." No, Peggy thinks that the other girls will wish that they looked as lovely as she will when she wears her new dress and gets the boys' attention. "But I don't care. I'll just toss my head at them like this." Oops. She tossed back her head. The pail flew off and the milk spilled all over the road. So Peggy had to return home and tell her mother what had happened. Now, how do you think Peggy feels, and why would that be? "Ah, my child," said her mother, "don't count your chickens before they're hatched." Now, think about that. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched. What do you think her mother means by that? Well, the moral of this story, don't count your chickens before they're hatched, or don't count on everything turning out exactly as you plan, because you may be disappointed.